Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is October 11th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest stories from the world of Apple technology. From AI-mediated breakups to the future of wearable tech, we've got a lot to cover. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with a rather unusual story about how technology is reshaping personal interactions. Nick Spreen, a software developer from New York City, experienced a breakup in a way that could only happen in the digital age. On his birthday, he received an AI-generated summary of his girlfriend's breakup texts, courtesy of Apple's new text message summary feature. The message bluntly stated, "No longer in a relationship, wants belongings from the apartment." This incident, which Spreen shared on social media, has sparked a conversation about the role of AI in our personal lives. As AI tools like Apple's continue to evolve, they may increasingly mediate how we communicate, even in matters of the heart. In other news, Apple has been quietly engaging with law enforcement through events like the Global Police Summit held at Apple Park last year. This summit aimed to help police departments better utilize Apple products in their work. Despite Apple's strong pro-privacy stance, the company recognizes the significant market for technology in law enforcement. However, there was no summit this year, suggesting a potential shift in Apple's approach to this sector. On the topic of security, Ricky Mondello recently addressed questions about Apple's password generation system. Apple's passwords are designed to be both secure and user-friendly, using a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern to make them easier to type and remember. These passwords are 20 characters long, include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, and are carefully crafted to avoid offensive terms. This design ensures a high level of security while maintaining usability. Moving on to wearable tech, Apple has confirmed that it has no plans to develop a smart ring, despite the growing popularity of such devices. While rumors had suggested that Apple might enter this market, the company seems focused on enhancing the Apple Watch instead. With a new version of the Apple Watch SE expected next year, Apple appears to be prioritizing affordability over expanding its product line. In the realm of immersive content, Apple's Vision Pro headset is making waves with its first scripted short film, Submerged, directed by Edward Berger. Set in a World War II submarine, the film offers a unique viewing experience that immerses users in the story. However, the solitary nature of the experience raises questions about the necessity of such technology for storytelling, especially given the high cost of the Vision Pro. Rumors are swirling about the potential for future Apple Watches to include blood pressure monitoring features. This capability would involve analyzing pulse wave velocity and could provide real-time feedback on health metrics. While this feature remains speculative, it highlights Apple's ongoing efforts to enhance the health monitoring capabilities of its devices. For those looking to boost productivity, the Pastey app offers a robust clipboard management solution. With features like editable content, customizable hotkeys, and seamless synchronization across devices, Pastey aims to streamline how users manage text and image snippets. Recent updates have improved the app's functionality, making it a valuable tool for both personal and professional use. Another app making headlines is Breadcrumbs, Me on the Map, which allows users to track their location and travel distance with minimal battery drain. The app emphasizes privacy, storing data locally, and encrypting shared information. While reviews are mixed, many users appreciate its accuracy and low power consumption. For gamers, Galactic Admirals offers a minimalist 2D naval strategy experience set in space. With intuitive controls and a focus on strategic combat, the game provides quick, engaging gameplay. It's free to download and promises continuous updates, making it a great option for casual gamers. Finally, Apple's iPhone 16 series has launched with new AI capabilities, but the company faces challenges in reviving sales. While the new features show promise, they have yet to fully capture consumer interest. As Apple navigates the competitive smartphone market, the integration of generative AI remains a key focus, though its impact on sales is still uncertain. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we discussed in the episode notes. Join us next time as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.